Hello my lovelies! Today we will be talking and testing revolutionary hair accessories. So we are talking today about the pony-o or the bun bars. I've seen these all over social media and actually a lot of you told me to try these out. So I bought several different ones. I got 2 bun bars. I got a lighter and a darker color. And then I got 2 of these. I don't know where the second one is. I think it's somewhere over there because I used it to go to the gym yesterday. I've been testing this little bad boy out, the pony-o. Haven't tried these out. And then I got a little cute accessory that you can accessorize this right here, this little pony-o. It has a little magnet to kind of connect it. So you don't really use it on its own. You kind of place it on top of this and kind of accessorize it like so. I haven't tested it out yet, so I don't really know what to make of it, but it looked cute and I figured I would test them out. Right now, their pony-os, they're on sale for $14.96, I believe. That's what it says, 2 pieces. The bun bars, these bad boys right here, 2 pieces, also $14.96. And then the Bling Ringz is $14.95. All right, so let's just get started and see how we like some of these products. So the first product, the pony-o, I have been testing them out. I've been taking it to the gym. I've been wearing them on its own, and I have mixed reviews. And I'll start with the very first one. Their biggest thing is that the pony-o bends, so it's a very bendy type of product. It's very sturdy. And the ones that I got have these little ridges on the inside. I believe those ridges are for basically gripping on the hair, not letting it slide out. And then the one thing, because it doesn't stretch, I can't wear it around my wrist. If you have baby wrists, it might fit. That's what I love about regular hair ties. I can just throw it on my wrist. If I need to use it, I can use it. If I don't need to, I always know I have at least one on my wrist. I'm that type of girl. But this doesn't stretch, so if you want to wear it, you have to have it in your hair. And if you don't, you have to either put it in your pocket or your purse. And I feel like I will lose this really fast. All right, let's put it on my head. It's gonna pick it up like a regular ponytail. My hair is a little crazy right now just because I just washed it. So it's not cooperating with me as well as I would want it to. You take the little band or the pony-o and you kind of bring the hair through like so. Then you kind of squeeze it down. Then you take one side and you fold it over. And then you take the other side and you fold it over the same way. Basically kind of meeting the 2 ends in the back. So it looks crazy, but this is kind of the rough look of how you can get it. I'm gonna do a lower ponytail because the hair is not so crazy that way. Look at all this new hair growth. I'm very impressed and happy that I have new hair coming in. All right, so with a ponytail, looking at it, it works great on high ponytails, low ponytails, and middle ponytails. It's great for that. And like you saw, you do have to put a little bit of strength into folding the little pony-o onto your hair. I don't know how this works with thick hair just because it is a certain size hole that you can open it to and it doesn't stretch. So even for my hair, I have a little bit of a hard time bringing all of the hair through and then squeezing it down. I do like that it's a really strong hold, but I do get a headache 30 minutes into wearing this. I've done it multiple times and I thought maybe it was just a fluke. Maybe I did something wrong, but I played with it and the same thing, 30 minutes in, I have a crazy headache. It's just pulling on the hair. I sometimes get a headache wearing just regular ponytails, but it depends on where it sits on my head. But with this one, anywhere that I place it, I get a headache. So that's one of the things. It's not as comfortable as I imagined. It does secure, so maybe that's why, because it is so securing. I did take it to the gym several times, and yesterday I even had Andre take a video at the end of my workout just to see how it would look, and it completely was falling out of my hair. The hair was not secure towards the end. It's barely holding on. All right, let's just put this on and see what it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't fit on my hair. It's way too big. It's just, yeah, this was a waste of $15. So taking it out, obviously you have to be a lot more careful because it is so secure and sturdy. You can't just rip it out of your hair because you will rip a lot of the hair out. So you basically have to unfold the sides, unfold the pony bar, and then very gently slide out of your hair. And after like what, 5-minute wear, it does leave a little bit of a crease, but it's not too bad. So it's definitely not non-creasing because I do claim that it's non-creasing. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys with a regular hair tie. So Andre's saying this looks just as perky, and this is also really nice and secure. I do it 4 times just because I don't have that much hair, and it does last a long time. It lasts amazing at the gym. I don't have any issues with it, and it goes around my wrist, which I love. And with this one, you could just very gently take it out of your hair. In Andre's opinion, I can't really see right now, but he did say this one does look better. It looks more sleek and it looks a lot more polished and just looks better, especially because it does match my hair color somewhat. It does look really nice. This one I think is just very simple. It's non-hassle. It doesn't, yeah, I don't know. It's just very simple. Depends on what you want. Let's create this bun bar. We're gonna try this out, see if we can create their bun, their perfect bun, and then their big bun. This is what it looks like. It has these like cool little ridges. It kind of reminds me of like a zebra, and then it opens up, but you have one side that's attached with glue that is seeping out. So not the best quality in my opinion. Let's create their perfect bun. This one right here. It's a nice low bun. All right, so what you do is you take your hair and then you open this bad boy up. Place your hair right in the center, you close it, and you kind of drag it down, and you roll it up, and then you basically create your bun shape because this is also very pliable. And I guess let's try it out. Let's see how this works. Okay then. All right, I'm having a hard time covering it with my hair. Let's keep trying. Trying to open that hole in the middle. I look like a grandma, but I'll take it. I guess this is really great for those really simple buns. It is kind of secure. And let's look at it from a closer look, how well I did it. It's a lot easier if you don't secure it as much, but kind of move the hair around and then secure it towards the end. I do like that it's really pliable and you kind of create a shape that you like. All right, so overall, I do like this. I like the concept of it, and I think it's a lot better for longer, thicker hair maybe. Maybe this one will work really great for you. But for me, I think the best idea or the best trick is to create a ponytail, secure it with a regular hair elastic, and then go with it and create that perfect bun shape. I like this. It's nice and quick and easy. I do think I would still use some bobby pins just because some of the hair is falling out, but let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm worried about, is it's not as secure to your hair because it's only holding on to the hair that you wrapped up and then you're securing it like this. So you would probably need some bobby pins so it would not sag. I want to try if I can create a top knot, kind of wrap it around my hand and then see if this will hold the top knot nicely. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Yes! Woohoo! You know you like that. That is a look, you guys. Yeah, no, that is not working out for just a regular messy bun. So we're going to create another style they call the butterfly style. It's basically a pull-through ponytail with the pony-o. So let's do this. I'm gonna press it down and then secure the sides by pressing down the ends. And then I'm gonna dig a hole or create the hole like I would for a flip through ponytail or a pull through ponytail. Okay, that's a lot better. Obviously gonna play with it, but it's a lot better. All right, Andre, what do we think of it?
Still a little messy.
Yeah, still a little messy, but yeah, I personally wouldn't do it with this. I would just use a regular clear elastic, but if you like that kind of look, I think this is great. So we have this other thing. This is really great for like that really pretty roll updo. You can create buns with this. You can create a lot of things with it also. It has this foam material around it, and then inside it has this very pliable, bendable wire on the inside. So also really great, and it does have a nice slit in the middle for your hair. So same thing, what you do, you just take the hair, slide it through the slit, kind of secure it down, squash it down, make it nice and straight again around the hair, and then kind of bring it down and then roll it up and then secure the ends, overlapping them on the bottom, and then you just kind of wrap your hair around to create your bun, or lack thereof, in my opinion right now. So basically, they're very similar ideas. In my opinion, the hair does move a little bit easier around the foam rather than this rubbery idea because it does have ridges, but I get why they have ridges, so the hair would hold a little bit better on. But they're both very similar. If I were to do this, I would just create first a ponytail, secure with the clear elastic, and then go with this type of hair accessory to create that perfect bun look. Another amazing alternative, if you do want that perfect bun, is this right here. What I love about this is it is basically this like really fine mesh material that you can put bobby pins through, which is incredible. So you can really mimic of having a lot more hair than you do, because you can put bobby pins straight through and it's gonna hold on really nicely. It's not gonna go anywhere. With these, you can't put any hair accessories through. I mean, you can, but you're gonna rip it. So for example, I can put something through here, but it's gonna rip it. You know what I mean? With this, you can't put anything through because it's wires on the inside. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys quickly how I create a bun using the little bun maker. And these are super cheap. They come in many colors as well. They come in different sizes as well. So you can really create a customized look for your hair. All right, so the first step I do is create a ponytail wherever I want the bun to sit. And then I take the hair and I put it through this little hole. Then you just take the hair and you wrap it around the bun. And then you take another clear elastic once your hair is wrapped around the bun, and you just secure it down, and then you kind of wrap the rest of the hair around the bun, either tuck it in or just use a mini bobby pin or bobby pins to secure it down. I apologize for my super crazy hair, but I'm not creating any hairstyles here. I'm just showing you how you can make these accessories work for your hair. And that's the idea of the little bun maker. I do think this is a little bit more easier to use because you can use bobby pins and you can put through the little bun maker. It's a lot easier. It's not as strenuous on your hair. It doesn't put a lot of pressure on your hair, which is great. So let's talk about this. Do I recommend these? Do I like them? Are there some negatives, positives? For the buns, there are a lot of options on the market out there for you that help you create that beautiful, perfect bun. In my opinion, do you need this? No, you don't. There are a lot of other options, a lot of cheaper options, a lot more versatile options. For example, my favorite still are these little bun makers. They come in various sizes, different materials. You can even make one with a sock. I actually did a video on that. In my opinion, I don't love this for several reasons. The first, it gives me crazy headaches, and I did test this out multiple times to make sure I did it the right way, and I still every single time I get a headache. So for that reason, and then B, they're not as versatile. For example, I can't wear it around my wrist. A regular hair tie I can wear around my wrist. If I need to throw my hair up in a ponytail, I can. If I need to do a messy bun, I can. With this, you can basically create a ponytail and just the ponytail, but it looks amazing in the hair, and I think gives the hair a really cool polished look that you can't really get with the regular ponytail unless you take hair and you wrap it around the clear elastic or your ponytail. But for now, thank you for spending time with me, watching me play with these products, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.